prevention of fatty liver disease. The various steps taken to reduce the fatty liver disease is according to the type of the disease, whether it is alcoholic, whether it is non-alcoholic. Almost 85% cases belong to the overuse or over drinking of the alcohol. So excess amount of alcohol is lethal for functioning of the liver cells. Reduce the quantity or abstain from over drinking. Then if it is a non-alcoholic one, the main factor is obesity. Reduce the weight towards the healthy weight. For that, this process of reducing the weight is or obesity is should be very gradual one. It should not be adopted all of a sudden. Otherwise, it will produce a reverse action, that is, it produces more deposition of the fat or the triglyceride in the liver. So, the reduction in the weight of the obese person should not exceed up to 1 kilogram per week. This should be the rate. Then next is you have to adopt the low carb diet. You have to avoid fructose or fructose containing beverages and other products, because fructose and alcohol is only metabolized in the liver cells, not in other part of the body. So these excess of these two items, they are very lethal, dangerous to the function of the liver cells. Protein, low carb diet, Mediterranean diet, which should be consist of unsaturated fat, free cholesterol, that is especially the harmful cholesterol must be avoided. You have to take plenty of purified water, fresh veggies, fresh fruits for maintenance and provision of the vitamin and the minerals necessary for maintenance of the health. Vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acid from the fatty fish, especially from salmon and tuna fish. Vitamin E. Then there is choline containing foods. The foods containing choline, that is the beef liver, milk, yogurt, egg yolk. These are the various food items which are rich in choline. And choline, that is a protective factor for the health of the liver cells. You have to maintain the sugar level, blood pressure in normal limits. You can use, if you are patient of diabetes, anti-diabetic, and if you are hypertensive, anti-hypertension drugs should be used to maintain the normal levels. In addition, progritazone medicine is usually used for the eradication and the prevention of the fatty acid disease. Caffeine, I mean the coffee drinks, you can take 2 to 3 cups of coffee in routine, and it is also a protective measure to the cells of the liver. And also the green tea, which has an antioxidant action, and that is also beneficial for the health of the liver disease. In addition, if the medical treatment fails to reverse the symptoms and signs, then we have to adopt the surgical options, that is bariatric surgery to reduce the obesity, and then is final is the liver transplantation when the liver is completely undergone cirrhosis, is a functionless and aimless ones has been fibrosed completely, then we have to perform liver transplantation from healthy donors. So these are the various steps, medical steps. Food should be vegetarian one, especially vitamin E has a very vital role, choline has a vital role, and omega 3 has a very compulsory and the very important role for the protection of the cells of the liver.